Hello, my name is Fernando Estrada. I'm making the presentation of the Taxify Unit 3 of the English Course B2 Technology website. How has technology changed human life in your community? It has generated many changes, opening new opportunities to improve the quality of life. Among them, we have educational training opportunity through virtuality, ease of communication and valuable information in a short time, ease of working, health benefits, environment benefits, and a significant change to the economic and social development of my community. What positive and negative aspects do you consider your community as in the use of technology nowadays? Positive aspect is good use of generator positive aspect sources. Ease of communication and information through social networks. Health benefits educational training facility to carry out work activity promoting the economic development of the community. Negative aspect: distraction and waste of time, addiction, stress, anxiety. It has impacted many in a young and violent world. Affectation to health mainly to young people. It pollutes the environment. Thank you.